Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how the tire change for the winter happens on my new car, the Volkswagen ID.4. I'm in Bucharest at a very professional workshop. It is called anvelope.ro. That means tires.ro in English if you want. I had some issues with my old car, the Volkswagen ID.3. I had some vibrations on the highway. So now I came directly to this workshop because they have a very good tool to balance correctly the wheels. So in the end, if the wheel is balanced properly, you'll have no vibrations. I know that Volkswagen ID cars are very sensitive to very slight vibrations, very slight deviations from perfect, and you can get the vibrations during the ride. So that's why I came to this very good workshop in Bucharest. I think it is the only one that has this technology, and you'll see right away how they balance the tires. I bought these wheels from a Dutch website and they came with summer tires. The only thing that I'm interested in it is the rim, not the tire, because I bought winter tires for these rims to have a set that is identical in terms of design with the summer tires that came with the car and that are here. Now they are removing the summer tires with this special tool from Hunter Revolution it is called. You can see it there. What I really like at this system is that everything is made by the computer, and the load, the raw workforce made by the human being from the person, it is reduced to a minimum. So it is a health and safety issue that it is really important, and I really like the companies that are investing money in very good tools. As you can see, they used some plastic foil to cover the rim in order to not scratch it. Now the operator is checking the tire to see where the weights should be put, and they use the road force system with that cylinder over there to identify the weight of the tire and of the rim. Now the operator will align the tire with the rim. So the green mark from the tire needs to be aligned with the green mark on the rim in order to have a perfect balance, as perfect as possible, balance for the tire before putting the weights. So what this system does is just to identify the weight points of the tire and of the rim in order to have a very good balance even before putting the weights. Because the front wheel is taken off right now, I can show you how you can recognize a car that has adaptive suspension, DCC adaptive suspension at Volkswagen. This is the part of the damper that is added on the car when you have the DCC. When the car has standard suspension, this part here is missing, and I think the tube it's a bit thinner, not thicker, how it is right now. But this is the place where you should look if you want to see if your car has DCC or not. Of course, you can also see it in the car's menu. Looking at the rear suspension, you can see that the sensor is here. It is more hidden than in the front, but you can also see it in the back. My car is new right now, so it has like 30 kilometers or so. I just went home to take the tires, and this is how the brake disc on the front looks. You can also see the brake pad here, the black part. At electric cars in general, the maintenance of the brakes is very minimal, and the wear and tear is also very minimal. At my older Volkswagen ID.3, before I sold it, I never changed the brake pads or the discs, so it was not necessary. The rear wheels are with drum brakes, so the need for maintenance is also very limited, very minimal. You need to clean inside the drum from time to time, but I mean at a certain number of kilometers, but This is what Volkswagen workshops are doing when you are going to the inspection every 2 years. They should look inside and clean there, and also you can ask that. But in general, this system with drum brakes is very rough. It can take loads, and it requires very, very low maintenance. The winter wheels are now on the car, and we are moving it to the wheel alignment workshop. This is a very good occasion to show you the underbody of the car. I don't know how many of you have seen the underbody of an electric vehicle. This is how it looks like. This is the battery. It starts from there, the glossiest part. It is the battery. This is the battery cover used for protection, and all the aerodynamic shields. The measurements are okay, so the car came from the factory with proper wheel alignment like it should. And also with the winter tires there is no need for changes. Usually when you change the tires from summer to winter and the other way around, you need to check the wheel alignment to see that the car is staying exactly as it should on its wheels. In this case, there is no need for corrections. All the values are okay. There is just a small correction to be done at a steering rod. Now I am at the reception to pay for everything. These guys from the workshop were kind enough to make me a discount because I'm a frequent customer. The cost for everything you've seen, it is about 130 euros. I had 50% off discount because I'm a frequent customer here. I'm also coming with my BMW i3, and also I think the guys decided to take the price even lower because I'm making this video. But I haven't asked for anything, so I just wanted to pay the full service, but they are kind enough to cut a bit more of the price. So in the end, with about 60 euros, 65 euros, I managed to make all these operations that you're seeing in this video. This is all from my side. Thank you very much for watching, and till next time, bye bye.